Tyne, can you sing the sound letter A? For?
Apple.
And the?
Ants.
Can you sing the sound letter B?
No. The A.
A?
Yeah.
We already done A.
No. A for Angry Bird.
Alright. Can you sing the sound letter B?
B.
For?
Ball and football.
Well done.
And the bat.
Can you sing the sound letter C?
C for cat and car and the clock.
Well done. And can you sing the sound letter D?
D for dog and the drum.
Well done. Can you sing the sound letter E for?
Elephant and egg.
Well done. Can you sing the sound letter F?
For frog and the fish.
Can you sing the sound letter G?
G for goat and gorilla.
And?
And no, the next page.
How about go?
Yeah.
Can you sing the sound letter? Oh, that was next?
H.
Oh, okay. Can you sing the sound letter H?
For hat.
And?
And I don't know.
Tyne, how about the helicopter?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Helicopter.
Is mommy a clever mommy?
Yeah. Look. Helicopter.
Yeah, okay. What's next, Tyne?
I.
Okay. Can you sing the sound letter I? For?
Igloo.
Can you sing the sound letter J?
J for shoes.
Mm.
Jacket.
Can you sing the sound letter K?
K for kangaroo. Key.
Can you sing the sound letter?
L.
Oh, okay. Can you sing the sound letter L?
L for lion and a lollipop.
Impressive. Can you sing the sound letter M?
M.
For?
Mountain.
Anna?
Monkey.
Can you sing the sound letter N?
N.
For?
Nose.
And?
Noodle.
Well done. Can you sing the sound letter? What's next, Tyne?
O.
Oh, can you sing the sound letter O for? For?
Octopus. Orange.
Well done. Can you sing the sound letter P?
P.
For?
Station.
Huh?
Station.
Which station?
Paddington.
Paddington Station.
Yeah.
Well done. And can you?
No. Koala.
Koala. No? P for? Tyne, which animal makes sound that is oink oink?
Pig.
Well done. Okay. Can you?
Panda.
Yeah, clever boy. And can you sing the sound letter Q? For?
Queen and the question.
Can you sing the sound letter R?
For ring and the rabbit.
Can you sing the sound letter S?
For sun. And the sunglasses.
And
Snake.
Can you sing the sound letter T?
T for tiger and the time and the tree. And the tree.
Well done. Can you sing the sound letter U?
F for umbrella.
Can you sing the sound letter V?
V for vacuum.
And?
Violin.
Can you sing the song letter W?
For whale.
Can
And then whale and water.
And
And wet.
well done. Can you sing the song letter X? For
Xylophone and then a fox. And then fox.
Can you sing the song letter Y?
Yeah, for yellow and then yellow.
And can you sing the song letter Z?
No, that.
Oh, sorry. Can you sing the song letter Z?
For zebra zoo.
Well done. Thank you.